So this is a pantry door that has a lot of dirt and little hard stuff over it. I fast forward the video a little bit so we're not sitting here for a while. So degreaser to spray on the surface. Then with a wet magic, and you'll need a bristle brush. You can see the dirt coming off. I'm just using my 1-2 method. And my 2 fingertips to get any of those hard marks off. Around the door handle. Then with my bristle brush, I will go around the edges of the door handle and in between all the little bits. Then with a wet microfiber, I'm going to remove that chemical. Now normally you just leave it at that and let it dry itself, but because I want to show you the finished product, I'm just going to give it a dry anyway. Drying my handle. Let's have a close look. Now you can see that little black thing. I touched it to see if there was still something there. It was still wet. So then we just wipe that off. And we are done.